Craft your imagination.
Everyone needs something to carry their stuff sometimes, so let's make a paper basket to hold all your goodies. You will need a paper plate, scissors, a hole puncher, a pipe cleaner, a round cup, and crayons. First, turn the plate upside down and flatten it with your hands. Next, color and decorate the plate to your liking. Then, place a cup in the center of the plate and draw around it to create a circle. Now, create lines reaching from your circle to the end of your plate. If needed, you can use a ruler to help. With your scissors, cut the lines you made around your circle. Next, with the hole puncher, punch holes on the edges of each tab. Take your cup and place it back into the center of the plate. You can use it to help fold the tabs up. Now grab the ribbon and begin weaving it through the holes you made. Make sure to overlap the holes before running the ribbon through. Once all the tabs are connected, tie the ribbon into a bow. Wow, pretty! The body's complete, but now we need a handle. Take the pipe cleaner, put it through a hole, and twist the end around the pipe. Repeat on the other side. And voila! You've made a beautiful paper basket to hold your stuff.